Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to trade stocks right here on MEXC. And if you want to trade a stock, then the first thing that we need to do is change the symbol by holding your mouse right there, and then we click here on stocks. Now we can find right here the stocks that we can trade, and I'm using a demo account, but if you're using a live account it works exactly the same, but then you will find more accounts. But let's say we want to create a position right here on Adobe to US dollars. Then we click on there, and then what we need to do right now is we go here to open, select right here how much we want to buy. So market, then we select right here again what I told you, we want to buy 1K. Then we scroll down, and then if you can see, the market is closed right now and will open in 70 hours. But this works exactly the same when the market is open. And then right now we can click here on TP and SL, take profit, stop loss, where you can fill in a nice take profit trigger price. So right now the price is 261. So let's say when he will hit 300, he will take a profit. And when he will go down to 200, he will stop our losses. And then just click right here now on the green button. Now the market is closed. So when, in 17 hours, he will open again, but it works exactly the same. Then you will see here a green button, click on green button, click on confirm, and then you create yourselves a position for a stock. So this is how you can buy stocks right here on MEXC. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.